This gotta be way more than 10, man. They hooked it up for sure. They know I always go there, man. Check me out. Let me fix the wrapper. I should have got the cheese fries, but it's all good. Look. They did put extra sauce on mine. They ain't looking dry this time, man. The boneless wings ain't looking dry at all. I like that, man. Yo, check me out. I'm about to go pick something up right now. Some dude owes me money, man. They gave me 3 extra. Hold on. Yeah, they gave me 13. I just ate one, man. I got mild too. Got the fries right here. This is what it's looking like right here. Yeah. I just got out the gym too, man. I was gonna get me a soda, but it's all good. I don't really drink soda like that anyway. But you can tell these are fresh too. The fries are fresh. The wings are fresh. The girl asked me if she wanted me to if she wanted me to have her put the wings, the fries in a different bag. I told her, nah, it's all good. Put everything in the same bag. I be going crazy with the pull-ups, man. I don't look like I'm on steroids, man. You gotta trust the process. You gotta let time be time. You feel me? I seen a comment where some dudes are like, "Well, you don't get enough sleep, you don't diet enough, because it seems like, you know, you don't look like you're on steroids." No, that's fine. I ain't worried about that. All the dudes you see on Instagram and YouTube, they the ones on steroids, man. You can tell, man. I still try to look good, though. It plays a part, though. I'm really just doing cardio, though. But at the same time, pumping the chest, pumping the arms, everything. I gotta go do something right now. I'm gonna just eat a little bit. I got some watermelon at the house too. Some watermelon, yeah. I got 7 extra wings, man. 7. feel me? Got everything right here, look. It's getting a little dark though. Look. I don't like to overeat either, man. You want some? I'll give you some. I don't like to overeat, you feel me? I could to the point where I'm full, but I'm not comfortable like that. I'll wait a little bit, eat some more later. Feel me? But since I just got out the gym, I need something heavy, man. I don't really cook nothing at the house, so that's why I came. The fries are perfectly seasoned too. Not too salty. Perfect, man. Yeah. I gotta get me a new tripod too, man. New tripod. For whatever, man. For a table. For the park. For me working out. Whatever. I gotta get me like a little table right here. So I don't have to be holding the food. Little things like that. Make the videos way better. That's all I really be thinking, right? Just trying to improve little by little. Some people gonna get everything in one go, right? Some people don't gotta study, right? Some people don't gotta study for a quiz next week. They learn everything in one day. That might happen for only a certain amount of things, right? But for other things, you might not pick up on it that quick and easy. You feel me? The workouts, I picked up on it quick. And I stuck to what works for me. When I didn't have a gym membership during COVID, I was in school. Excuse me. I was in high school still. I think I was like a sophomore. Right? Started working a side job, stocking, stuff like that. And then when I got tired of that, I jumped into construction with some relatives, right? Some people I knew. Then I studied the trade, residential, everything, man. Drywall, finishing. But yeah, man, I learned everything through calisthenics at first. I don't know the best workouts for lifting weights. I got 6 wings. Some dude, right, texted me. He said, "Hey, you trying to go play soccer?" I'm like, "Yeah, man. I gotta do something for work. Feel me? Maybe another day. Just give me a heads up with time. Give me a couple days extra. You feel me? To put in my schedule. I still gotta do videos in the morning, early in the morning. I still gotta do videos after, in the afternoon, at the gym. You feel me? You gotta give me a heads up, man, for everything, straight up. 9 times out of 10, man, it's like, I saw that shit. I'm always dropping my food. I'm glad they didn't mess up my order this time. Fresh fries, too. Feel me? They're not cold. They're not... Who texted me? Oh. They're perfectly fresh, man. Feel me? They're not they don't taste microwave. Well, I hope they're not, right? But, but yeah. What was I talking about? Excuse me. It's about like 8 p.m. right now. I gotta go pick some shit up. Gotta chill out on the food. You know, enjoy it. Got some water, man, at the house, man. Do the same thing over tomorrow. Wake up, work out. That's pretty much it. Go to work, everything, man. Save up some money for Mexico. That's all I got in mind. Pretty much, man. I do 100 pull-ups in one video, man. I'm gonna stop doing like 200, 300, man. I'm gonna just do weighted pull-ups at this point. You feel me? I feel like I'm just doing reps for reps, but it's like, or just increase the volume, man. Less rest, right? 50 pull-ups in 3 minutes. Feel me? All that. But then it's not enough time, man. 3 minutes isn't. I want the video to be longer. You feel me? Just a little bit. Give y'all something else to watch, man. You feel me? Just think of new videos, man. Maybe do 3 minute, 4 minute, 50 pull-ups, right? Or as many as I can do, whether it's less than 50 or more than 50. Give myself 3 minutes to 4 minutes. Nothing more than 5 minutes, and then right after, do some dips, do some push-ups, do some squats. Feel me? Change it up a bit. That's what I'm thinking of doing, straight up. Cause I be at this point, that's what I started off doing, man. Just high reps. I could do 500 push-ups, but that's why I stopped doing 500 push-ups. Cause I feel like it's all cardio, man. You feel me? It's not, but it is, man. I'm burning calories while I'm pumping the chest, which is good. That's why I'm lean. That's why calisthenics gets you lean. You feel me? Somebody, man, keeps calling me and texting me, blowing up my phone, man. I'm gonna go do something else. Peace. Hey, y'all work out too. Y'all work out, man. Hey, you stay at the end of this video, man. You a real one, straight up. Y'all make sure y'all work out. Go on a walk or something. You feel me? Get a couple steps in, man. Before, after work, whatever, man. Peace.